7 years old.
So we have a little presentation for you in our conference room, along with some snacks and a soy mocha latte with your name on it.
Oh, this one. She's a keeper.
Shall we? Let's do it.
Well, I think that could be gonna need that. Pleasure to meet you, Dennis.
I'll see you soon.
Thanks for setting this up. Talk to you soon.
Lovely to meet you, Paige.
Congratulations.
Right back at you.
I'll circle back to Paige, get the ball rolling, start talking strategy. You know, maybe put together a list of staff associates we can put on this.
I'll put Francis on that. You've got enough on your plate in doc review.
Coming.
Hey, catch you at a bad time?
Not at all. Come in. I hear clinking. Does that mean we have something to celebrate?
We sure do.
Are we drinking too?
Got a juicy one for you.
Mesa Verde.
On retainer.
Oh, even better. Congratulations. One of your golf course conquests.
Kim Wexler brought them in.
Fourth-year associate snags $250,000 in billings. She's probably having a couple of drinks herself. She's out of the doghouse, I assume.
We'll see.
Interstate expansion. It's a complex case.